What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to put a trailer light harness on your Chevy Astro van. It's just a basic 4-pin with a ground. Okay, so yours might be a little bit different. I have a camper build out in my van, but I remember what stock used to look like. Once you have the back of the van open, you're going to come in this back corner here. And there used to be the jack in this area. There's a panel that you can take off and it'll expose the jack. And on my van, before I ripped it all apart, these wires here were sitting underneath the jack all bunched up. So if your van came with the wiring harness for a trailer, it's gonna be in that location. If it's not there, don't worry, you can still keep looking around. It's connected to the passenger side tail light harness and it just shoots off of there. Mine's in a gray conduit here. There's a large white wire, a light green, yellow, brown, orange, small white, blue, and dark green. And each one of those is going to be for a different function of the tail lights versus like blinkers, brake lights, that sort of thing. Anyways, so I drilled a hole in the floor of my van. You can too. Don't worry about it. It's not that big of a deal. Just go under there and kind of line it up. Once you have a hole, you can pass those wires through. I just used a step bit from Harbor Freight. I run other things through that hole as well, so it was easy for me, but don't be scared, you can do it. All right, in order to get this job done, you're gonna need a pair of wire strippers with crimpers on here, some electrical tape. I like to use these heat shrink butt connectors from Harbor Freight. These are watertight heat shrink butt connectors, and they have a little glue. So whenever you heat shrink it, that glue attaches itself to the wire and it makes a mostly watertight seal, especially with the trailer wiring for like a boat. You want it to be watertight. And then for the heat shrink, you need either a lighter or you can use a heat gun like I did. So I'm going to show you a video I took from yesterday on how to attach the wires to the wiring harness right now and what the colors mean. So most trailer light wiring harnesses, like I just rewired this trailer, and the light kit came with the male and the female that I was able to attach to my car's wiring harness. And you should be able to see it down in this corner. I have to wire on some fittings here. So we're gonna take off this tape, see where the end is. And it's really nice that it has all of this on there. And this, because this is gonna protect it as it goes through the bottom of the van. And then luckily mine still has all the identity on here. So it says wire color and identity. So brown is gonna be right rear lamps. Yellow is gonna be left-hand turn. Green is going to be right-hand turn. Large white is the ground. Light green says backup lamps. Small white is, it looks like high MT STP. Blue is an aux circuit and orange is a fused aux. I think all I need is brown, yellow, green, and the ground for my wire. Okay, so if I lift up my carpet here, I'll try to show you guys, not in the shadows. I already have a hole down there, this guy, where my AC condensation line goes down through the floor. So I'm just gonna use that and then stick this wire through to where this corrugated material is in that hole and protecting the wire. So to drill this hole, I just used like one of those step bits from Harbor Freight. I think I may have used a hole saw. I don't remember too much. But either one will get the job done. Whatever you have or you have available to buy at your local store will work. Over here you can see my wire. This is my AC condensate, and this is the drain for my sink. We got all right in here. So this is what I want. I want to keep it up and out of the way. We're gonna match the colors. Yeah. So where's this one? What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Where's the yellow wire on this one?
Green.
Where's the yellow one? It's right there.
Now what's the green one?
Yeah, where's the green one?
The green one.
Where's the green one on here?
Green one.
Well, so that's light green. Can I get dark green? Where's dark green? Which one's dark green?
I don't know.
This one's light green. Is there another green one? Is there another green one? Okay, there's our trailer harness. Just need to put some heat on these guys to heat shrink them, and then I'll wrap this up with more electrical tape. Like I said, these are marine grade heat shrinks, so if I back too far into the water shouldn't theoretically get into this junction and corrode it. So it's just a little extra step to make it last that much longer. So here you can see the difference between the top and the bottom. The top one has a heat shrink on it and the bottom one does not. This top one just has a little bit of glue that comes out past here also that bonds the heat shrink part to the wire. It doesn't just shrink over the top of it. It seals it. Some old trusty electrical tape. And that's all there is to it. I just took some zip ties up under here and kind of wiggled my way down through here till it lined up with my trailer hitch, and then dropped down a little, probably 5 or 6 inch tab coming down. It was a fun project and I think I'm done. This video helped you. You're probably like me and you like Astro vans. This is my 2004 all-wheel drive Astro camper van. If you want to see more of my videos, check out some playlists. I got a build playlist, and I also have a playlist where I take this thing out camping. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.